Hello everyone, it's the results video time. We've got 10 quads that need to go find new homes. Remember, I am paying for the shipping. I'm not sure I'm going to continue to do this because if we get a bunch of international winners, shipping internationally, I'm sorry guys, it's expensive. I'm in the process of reshipping a package way back when, about a year ago, when I kind of stopped doing giveaways because the whole standing in line shipping thing, and I didn't really think about stamps.com. Um, that one was $37. It's the second time I'm into that one, or at least at some part I'm into that one. So shipping can be a barrier to draining whatever funds the channel creates, and the channel doesn't really create that much revenue. It's doing fine, but it doesn't create that much revenue. It's not as though I'm contemplating or even putting the numbers together about quitting my day job. That's not even close. But anywho, let's get to the desk. I was going over the whole results video. So if you're drawn first, you get the first quad that was shown in the original video, the giveaway video. And I'll link that down below if you need a refresher on that. Everybody who is selected in this video, if you're checking your email, you should have a message from YouTube from me about you winning. So with that, please be patient with me. I still have to get things boxed up, printed, the labels and stuff like that. It's a lot easier that I can do it from home now. I don't have to really, plot out my time of going and standing online like I used to a year ago. But I still work from home, and I still have to carve out some additional time outside from the original things. We still have snow outside. We did get a couple of days of really good melt off. The roads are pretty much clear entirely, but some of the areas that don't get a lot of sun still have quite a bit of snow on them. The backyard still has quite a bit of snow, so I think we're going to be wet out back. Probably through the week. I'm hopeful that the weekend it will be dry enough to where I can get back to flying outside. I had several things I was working on and nearing completion, but I just need a little bit more fly time on them in order to be able to roll them into videos that I edit together. So let's get down to the desk. Let's take a look at what we've got here. You can see I've got the video pulled up. We got a lot of views, 9,768. So there must be something about 10 that draws 3 times as many people to the video, because if you go back and look at the channel, I did this previously, but I didn't pull it up here for the recording. I did a 5 drone giveaway probably 2 weeks ago, I think it was, and that got less than 3,000 views, and maybe just a touch over 2,000 views. I'm now forgetting, even though I looked at that earlier. So we have a lot more activity. Hopefully we'll find some people that are interested in quads, and this can help them get in the air, facilitate their being in the hobby, starting in the hobby, and enjoying the hobby. Before we get started, you see the top comment here, Ready, Set, Drone. This is great, Nick. I don't need to win a drone, but wanted to say hi, and that I'm looking forward to having you on my January live stream. Yes, slated right now for January 15th. It's that Friday. I always get this wrong. I have it on my calendar. Don't worry. Yeah, 15th to Friday at 7 p.m. I'm going to be on Ready, Set, Drone with Kelly. There should be interesting conversation, so if you're interested in that, you might want to head over to Ready, Set, Drone, look for a scheduled event, or subscribe to his channel as well. So as far as the number of comments that we've got 40, almost 4,700 comments out of the 9,768 views. So either some people watched twice, or they decided, of the almost 10,000 people that viewed it, if they viewed it just once, decided to not get involved like Kelly from Ready, Set, Drone did not. But left a comment there that letting us know that if it happens to grab his comment, don't include me. And there are a few others. I noted those. I do go through these comments. We got 2.1 thumbs up. Boy, that's quite a bit. 2.1 thousand, I should say, K, and 11 thumbs down. That's always funny to me. I think that's a personal thing where someone just doesn't care for me. That's okay. I'm not offended. The internet's a big place. So let's go over to a random YouTube comment picker. I've already got the URL in here. As you can see, those match. Bing. And I am filtering duplicate users just to be certain that if someone has more than one comment. I tested this. This does not show me if they have more than one comment if it's selected. So I went to a different video and pulled that up where I'd had a conversation with somebody, and there wasn't that many comments on there. And I just clicked the pick a winner button a whole bunch of times, and it didn't filter when I knew that the other party that I'd had a conversation with in that video came up. It didn't show me the number of comments they had. So I didn't have a good mechanism with this particular YouTube comment picker to throwing those users just completely out. But the best I can do is filter duplicate users so they're not counted twice. So let's get the comment. It's going to probably take a minute here. Let's see, what can I talk about while it loads comments? I can talk about the snow. We did go sledding. We went out to my parents' place, of course, being responsible, socially distanced, masks, all those things. They have an ATV. I think they got that when they bought the house so many years ago, or it could be that it was something that they got because someone else couldn't repair it or something. But anyways, pull the ATV around and we drive the ATV around and we pull the kids behind it in a sled. Pretty good time. First time we've done that in years because we just haven't had the typical snowfalls that I grew up with as a kid. I said this in the Predator 5 video that I think it was a Predator 5, but my last camera review video, that when I was a kid, it wasn't unusual for us to have a number of major snowstorms. When I say major for this area, I'm saying 5 or more inches. And this is only the second time in the last maybe 5 or 10 years, maybe even, we've had 5 inches or more of snow. Okay, so finally got it loaded. You can see we've got 46, 44, so that differs a little bit, I suspect, or I have to believe that is because of the filtered comments where some people commented more than once. So we're going to go down here. We got to do this 10 times. So if there's any cuts or anything, maybe I needed to take a break. Maybe I needed to take a drink. Nothing nefarious going on. I sure hope these all find good homes to fly, crash, repair, and repeat, just as this hobby goes. Of course, if you're not into drones by chance, or you can't afford to get the other things you need to get flying and you sell it, that's, once it's yours, it's yours. You can tear it down, make it into something else, crash it crazy, right? Or do what you will with it. So let's get started with the 10. First up, let's scroll here a bit. Kyle Hansen. Hello. Well, that's a very simple comment. So we'll open up Kyle's channel to make sure. Oh, it looks like Kyle plays a little bit of PUBG. All right, let's pick another winner. So we're going for number 2 here. Valinin FPV. Did I get that right? By chance, did I get that right? Did I finally get one right? Valinin FPV. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, good luck, everyone. I would love to extend my collection with any one of these. Let's open up his channel. I'm not opening channels to embarrass anyone, just opening these up as these are placeholders, and this is how I verify later on that when I'm using email, and if you've been selected and you haven't emailed me, please do so at the email address you find on screen. I use this section to verify who I am talking to. So, if you try to fake me out, you've got to make YouTube give a secondary account with that exact character count for your account. Not going to happen. So, let's go for winner number 3. Margix. So nice. Would love to win one of these. Let's open up Margix count. And various things from the internets. All right, let's go for number 4. Massey08 from Italy, and I love this hobby. Put up Massey's account 1 week after FPV Drone Simulator. So Massey is into drones at some level, practicing on the simulator. That looks like FPV Freerider to me. I have actually used that one. Even since I got my new computer, I have not gotten a drone simulator set up. Just one of those things I haven't gotten around to. Going for number 5 winner here. Halfway point. DB, as in database. Another fantastic giveaway. DB probably stands for something like David Brown or David Beckham. I don't know. No channels. Well, you got Steven Crowder, Yanni. We'll see. that looks pretty light there. Real engineering, that might be interesting. Okay, so we're just over the halfway point. We'll go to number 6. Mar 2000, right? These giveaways are so generous. Thank you. Hope you and your family are doing well this holiday season. Yes, we did very well. It wasn't typical, but that's kind of how life is right now for everyone. It's not special to any one of us. We just have to keep on keeping on. Some of you will understand that reference. How not to FPV. Looks like you're making some of your own FPV videos. Awesome. Great. All right, so let's see. That was 6, so we're going for number 7. Drone Lovers FPV. Holy catfish, long comment here. Kind of like your, well, kind of. I like your avatar too. It draws my eye and makes me want to study it. I think it's the red in there. I think you call that an avatar, don't you? The picture? Isn't that called an avatar? Saint Nick's comes through again with a couple laughs there. Wishing you at least a better year in 2021. Always with good health for you and your family. Big hug from Portugal. Fingers crossed to be in that international winner and see this comment in the result vid. That would be hilarious. Colorful word. Haha. Told you guys. I don't mind that stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about when I talk about colorful language, so I don't need to spell it out. Okay, did I open up? I did not. Ooh, that was a close one. 625 subscribers. Got a Project Mockingbird right there. Nice. Oh, Airsoft. I watched some Airsoft. Norwich. Alfonso, Airsoft Alphonse, I think, is one. House Gamers. He's a Canadian guy. He's a little bit funny and silly. Anywho, let's see. Let's count my tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, going for number 8. Getting low. Getting low. Mighty Miracle. All I have to do is comment, so here you go. Look, he's got Wolverine there as well. PUBG. PUBG must be crazy famous. Never played it. All right, so number 9. Master Chief 1205. Hi there. New subscriber here. Great channel. Thanks for the nice giveaway. We'll be looking forward to the results video. Master Chief 1205. Master Chief. Isn't there a character in Halo that's Master Chief? Maverick, First Flight. 11 months ago. Don't know language. Sorry, I'm typical American, I guess you could say. I just know the one language, although I did study Spanish in high school, but I don't have much of that retention. Okay, let's see. That was number 9, wasn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, last one. Last chance. Have all your fingers crossed. Senor Spree. Happy holidays and good luck, everyone. So we got a Mobula HD. Let's make sure we're here. Yeah, Mobula HD. Want something with your deck? I presume these are your videos. Japanese Tea Garden in 4K, San Antonio, Texas. Senor Spree. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Okay, so to refresh, we got Kyle Hansen, Valenin FPV. I'm trying. Margix, Nasty 08, DB, the easiest one. I can even pronounce that. Namar 2000. Drone Lovers FPV, Mighty Miracle, Master Chief 1205, and Senor Spree. You are our winners. Congratulations to all of you. You should see somewhere down in here. Let me get my hands up there a little bit. You should see my email address. It's probably been there the whole time. You should already know that you're a winner. For those that didn't win, I wish you better luck in the next one, and we'll be doing more of these. I don't know if I'll be doing 10 at a time. I think maybe I was feeling it a little bit too much, so I would think 5 is more manageable. As far as me getting these out, some of them already have box. So I'll just wrap them in brown paper. I don't have any more stickers. The logo that I have here on the channel. So I have a stack of like manufacturing stickers. I'll put those in the boxes so you can stickerize stuff if you want. The packages that fit in my mailbox, they'll go out first, of course, because I can just put them in my mailbox. Put the little arm up and out they go. Otherwise, I have to drop them off. And so that means a touch more planning. I do try to avoid crowds and popular times, so I'll usually duck out of the house at an awkward time to where I think some of the places that I can drop off packages to might be a little light on their foot traffic. So those will go out as well. But I'll do my best to get them out as quickly as possible. But that depends on you as well. I need to get you verified, and then I'll need to get your shipping information. So congratulations to our winners. To those who didn't win, I appreciate you coming and watching the video and enjoying the fun, the roll of the dice, the chance, the opportunity. For those that came and watched the video and didn't chose to keep themselves out of winning anything, I appreciate the sentiment there of, you know, having a flush fleet and just passing that on to someone else, but maybe still interested in seeing what we were giving away here. So again, congratulations to everyone. I appreciate your time. And thanks for watching.